Hey YouTube, I am Tiberius and you're about to watch an edited recording of a Twitch stream. You can check out my Twitch using the link in the video description. If you enjoy the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and enjoy the video. Alright, Gaara has won. So we're going to start that up. Okay, we have an IP address. Alright, let's ping this box and see if it's up. Alright. we'll let it boot for a little bit. We'll see if it at least has a web server on it. And it does. If this is gonna be stego, I really hope it's not stego. I mean, I guess we just use auto recon. Oops. Okay, so let's save this image. No, stego is always always annoying. Okay, what's the steg? Stegseek is what we wanted, I think. Right? Doesn't that do something? Yeah, stegseek does this. Okay, let's just try strings on. Should probably do strings into less. Well, probably not. It's probably a bad idea. Let's have a look at the scan results and see if that found anything interesting. Scans. Okay. So really nothing. There is like a steg. It's a stegsolve like jar file. Here it is. Okay. I mean, I have no idea if this is even still here anymore. What we'll do is we'll just go to tools. Or maybe I already did it in steg. Isn't there? No. Okay. Did we get this? Maybe. Oh, it's still there. All right. Java-jar stegsolve. Okay. Oh. Okay, what stegsolve the jar does is it kind of like puts different filters on. To try and reveal potentially hidden information. Because obviously you can hide data inside the file itself, like in the, I guess, the dead space, or you can actually encode it as pixels. Did I go through it? Oh, I didn't. Okay. And sometimes I have actually found stuff using this before. Yeah. Not this time though. So the stegseek. I guess, do we just need like a list of Gaara? Like Gaara characters maybe? Alright, so what we'll do is we'll use cewl. with the depth of 1. Actually, what does the depth of 0 do? Does that just... Okay, good. Alright, so then we'll just do wordlist.txt. Alright, let's try stegseek again. Jeez. Okay, we can do lowercase, I guess. Sorry, was that dash? I think it was dash L. No, okay. Okay, it's dash dash lowercase. I mean, I guess it's just... Was there anything we missed here? Gaara characters. Okay, oh, so it is Naruto. Okay, so maybe do Naruto. Is Gaara mentioned on this? Yes. Okay, let's just do this then. We'll grab this page. Don't know what I'm doing here. Cool -d0 into word list. Okay. I hate stego. Why? Unless it's this thing. List of Naruto characters. Alright, we're gonna try this as well. I'm gonna do... It's not stego? Is it brute force? Well, that's the only thing I can think of. Like, we have to brute force the SSH. It's sword decryption. Okay, I mean, that's kind of annoying then. I guess we could try and... So if we use MSF... Oops. msfconsole has a nice SSH user enumeration, so we can try and at least see if Gaara is a user. Search SSH user. There we go. Auxiliary SSH enum user. So sometimes this will work and sometimes this won't. So if we set username to Gaara, and then we set the IP address, our hosts to this, run. User Gaara found. Okay, so we'll just try it with Gaara 2. User Gaara 2 found, yeah. Okay.
Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus! Maticus Maximus!
I guess we could do check false to true. And then... Yeah, it's false positive. Alright, so I mean, I imagine Gaara is the username. So if we just use hydra, actually, what we can do here, we can go into auto recon manual commands. copy this. Word wrap everything. All right, and then we just want. We'll just do Gaara like this, and we'll do the word list, and we'll see what happens. I can probably do like 16 threads as well, maybe. Let's see if this does anything. I mean, it's taking forever. Still got 4,315 to do. Brute force boxes are just. I mean, they're slightly realistic, but they're just annoying to do on stream because they take so bloody long. Are we on the right track? Is it at least the Gaara username? Can somebody tell me that? I don't mind getting hints on stupid brute force boxes because there's nothing. You need to find a web directory? That's interesting. Alright, well I guess we can run a there is another command we can run, this one, which will do more feroxbusting. It's a silly one, yeah. Oh, okay. All right. Well, I guess then we'll use the word list. I guess cd into pg Gaara. Wait a minute. Crap. Okay, paste that in, and then we'll go to here. We don't even need X's, really.
Thank you for following.
There we go. That's just dumb. I'm going to cancel this. Yeah, I mean, I would never... I'm not entirely sure I would ever have done that. And now the box is being slow. Okay, so this is probably a word list it wants. So can we just do cool-d this into, I don't know, passwords.txt? Vim passwords. We used to delete that one. 861, slightly better, I guess. I guess maybe I should, if I take out everything that doesn't have a capital letter, I'm going to do that. I'm going to do grep -e. Actually, just do grep e. Starts with A to Z. Passwords. Let's. Okay, cool. And then we'll do upper.txt. Okay, so now how many do we have? Upper 173. All right, well, I mean, we'll try this. So Gaara, it said not to use T16, so we'll do T4. We don't need to do any of this crap. What we'll do though is we'll change it to upper.txt. Okay, we need to do remove hydra.restore. Okay, I mean, let's see if this works. Because my thinking is it's probably not going to be like, I mean, it's probably not going to be series. It's probably going to be, you're probably not going to be during. It's probably going to be a name like Jason, Thompson, etc. I imagine. This looks like it's copied from the Wikipedia page anyway. Alright, I mean, hopefully this isn't going to take too long. We only have 173 passwords to try. Is there a nice way to lowercase an entire file? I feel like there should be. I just don't know it. Can sed lowercase everything? Oh, you just tr. Okay. Too low. Yeah, that's not a Unix command, though, is it? You can just. Oops. Oh, I didn't copy that right. Well, I don't know what's happening with my copy and paste today. It's not doing very good, is it? There we go. Okay, so I need to read in upper and then redirect out to lower.txt. Okay, and if I vim lower.txt, yay! All right. Okay, let's try let's try this. If it's not this, I'm just gonna have to ask someone for help because this is a dumb box. I mean, we're showing you how to use hydra, I guess, which is not in itself bad. It's just not very fun. It's good to know hydra at least. It's good to, I guess we showed off a cool or cewl or however you pronounce the damn thing. Maybe you have more directories. I mean, possibly. I guess I could use the new word list. Passwords, maybe. So we could use feroxbuster with passwords. Oh, for fricks. Okay, fine. Yeah, well done. So this is, okay, this might not even be a brute forcing box. This might just be literally a follow the stupid breadcrumbs. So we used cool on this, and then we used the output from cool to find this directory. I'm imagining we have to do this again. Yes. Oh, isn't this fun? D0 into, I'm just going to call it tamari.txt. Okay. I'll just do this again. Okay, these we've seen before. Oh, that didn't work. So maybe at this point, do we have password? Yeah, I mean, I guess. I mean, it's an obvious route, isn't it, chat? Like, you know, you fuzz. Well, you download a list of Gaara themed words. You fuzz that. You find a directory. You download that list of words. You fuzz that. Download that list of words, and of course,
new subscription received.
It's obvious. You just then we try Kankuro.
What up, peeps?
Thank you, Compendium. Tier 2, 13 months in a row. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll add your spins. Alright, you want me to try Kankuro? I mean, yeah. Was there like a... Interesting. So Kankuro didn't find that, apparently. If it even exists. It doesn't find... Okay, so it's not there. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to grep. We're going to use Tamari again. Convert to upper. Cancel this. And then do upper, I guess. Jeez. Remove the hydra.restore. How many were in the upper for this one? 174. Okay. Well, luckily in a minute we've got StreamRadar to do, so we'll try that. Yeah, this is a dumb box. You just use rockyou against the SSH? I mean, that's just... So there's literally no point in doing any of that. I mean, I'm just going to look up the password at this point, because that's just ridiculous. Gaara. I love you too. Okay. Is the yeah, we had to clarify that. Yeah, I mean, there's a place for brute forcing boxes, but it should be relatively obvious that you need to brute force, and it shouldn't be too difficult to brute force. But I have no idea why it sent us on a wild goose chase here. So we're gonna SSH Gaara at 192.168.116.
Thank you for following.
Yes. And it's I love you too. Look at that, chat. All that stuff with cewl, all that stuff with hydra. Absolutely pointless. Alright, we have a bash history. Is that a directory? No, it's a link. Okay, fine. That makes more sense. I was like, wait a minute. My directories are usually colored blue. Alright, we have a local hash we can use. Oh man, that's so dumb. I mean, yeah, we have the password, so it makes sense to do sudo. And then do I love you too. Alright, at least Gaara can't run sudo. We can actually check. We can do vim user share wordlists rockyou. And then we can do I love you too. Oops, sorry. I love you too. Yeah, it's the 206 one. So it wouldn't have taken too long. It was taking like 5 minutes to do 173. Okay, I mean, let's just cd .. slash and see if we have any other users. Do we have any users in etc password? We do not. Okay, so I mean, we'll do the find slash dash what was it? U equals s, right? Was it just u equals s? I'm gonna try and remember the damn thing. And then type f to terminal. I feel like it was. It was dash u. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Gimp. There's a gimp on it. There's also GDB. I mean, I think GDB is probably the way in. Why is there gimp running on this box? GTFOBins. GDB, yeah. GDB is a debugger, so you can usually... Oh, SUID. Probably doesn't matter. Right, yeah, you can literally just do this. Okay, Python support though. Alright, well maybe it doesn't have Python support. I bet it does though. Which GDB? It's the same one. Okay. GDP this. No, it does. All right.
We are in.
What's an awful box that we never have to do again? I want to see what let's, since we have some extra time at the end, let's submitting it won't kill the box, will it? Just in case it does, I'm gonna hang off. I'm gonna put this up here. So what the hell does GIMP do? So I mean, I imagine what we could do. If we SSH and do -x, and then we run GIMP, was it? No. We just run this. So what -x does is it enables X forwarding. So I can literally run GUI apps. So this is a GUI running on Gaara now. Like if I do file and open. Yeah, this is one of the amazing. I mean, you have to have X server running on the box. It's honestly on a server you really don't usually have, and it's slow as crap. You see, it says on Gaara, right? And honestly, yeah, it's probably dead. We can try it again. Okay, that looks like it works slightly better. I don't know.
Thank you for following.
I don't quite understand why this program is even on here. Okay, yeah, it doesn't look like it's working. Is there like a Firefox as well? I wonder if there's Firefox. No. Chromium. So I don't know why. I mean, I guess, can you like do... batch command? What's that? Is there like a GIMP? There is a... Okay, so there is a GIMP. SUID. So someone... Oh, okay, DZ also did that. Okay. So I don't even know if this actually requires us to have X forwarding enabled. Let's just try disabling X forwarding. And run it. Shoot. What was it again? GIMP 210. All right, yeah. So this does require X forwarding, I imagine. All right, so we'll do this. Okay, and then does it not save my? Oh, it doesn't save my history because of course Bash history is symlinked to dev.null. So I imagine this works. The batch interpreter Python foo eval is not available. Batch mode disabled. Interesting. So we don't have a shell, do we? Okay, interesting. Yeah, I guess this isn't... I have no idea why it's even here then. Well, it says the interpreter Python foo eval isn't available. This is what the batch thing is doing. Gimp batch interpreter. Yeah, I imagine. Let's just read up on batch mode, basic batch. Yeah, so usually it takes these commands, right? So it takes these. I guess there's a gimp script. But for whatever reason, you can tell it. You can tell there's different interpreters. So I guess we could try, batch interpreter. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Who knows? I don't know if there's like a help menu we can use. -- help. That has an example. Batch interpreter equals proc, which is the procedure, not like a program. Okay, yeah. So I don't know. Help all. No. Interesting. Well, yeah, I don't know exactly what the point of this was. Probably to, rabbit hole or something. All right. Well, at least I taught you guys about the -x thing. It's practically useless. I used to do it. I used to do it because it was a laugh. I believe actually maybe when I was doing my OCP in the OCP labs, there was a box where you could do it, and you could spawn Firefox, and then you could access stuff internally. It's stupid. Like, you wouldn't just set up a proxy server, but it can be funny. I think you can spawn DOSBox. All right, let's submit this flag. All right, well, at least we completed that awful box. Yeah, was there anything else? Yeah, all these are pretty much standard. GDB isn't standard. GIMP is definitely not standard. But everything else looks pretty standard to me. So GDB was the way in. I have no idea why GIMP is there. I mean, yeah, if you have a debugger that you can run as root, it's generally not good. But yes. Okay, did I forget anything? I don't think I did. All right, any questions about that box before we go? And again, for -x to work, you have to have X server running. And the only reason I knew X server was running, by the way, is if we scroll all the way back up. In the home directory, there's this .xauthority. If that exists, good chance that there's an X server running on this. I didn't even check if there was, but if you have a .xauthority in there, yeah, pretty likely. On the screen are my socials. Please follow me on Twitter, join the Discord server, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course follow me on Twitch to get alerted when I go live. You can also find all these links in the video description.